Okay, just doing a quick vid, guys. This is the newest addition to Mic Check. This was Old Faithful. She's still running good. No problems with her. She probably needs a little tune-up, but nothing much. This is actually my second work van. My first one I don't have anymore. Transmission went on it. But man, this thing is gonna get wrapped pretty soon. Just got it, I don't know, say a week ago. Had some magnets from my old, actually my first van, the one with the transmission that went. But this is for now. But this is what pretty much got me this one. So can't complain. I'm gonna do a little tour video in a minute. Got some things to do. You can see my lift inside there, but this is the van where I pretty much keep all my bigger parts. And this van is gonna be all my little parts that I need, and you know, a lot of pre-diagnosis parts in there, like fan motors and ice makers and stuff like that. This parts will have all the sensors, lid switches, water valves, small little things. But just giving you guys a quick intro. Next vid will probably be just some van tours, and then do another video on just service call, how I do it. All right, thanks.